Once upon a time, a few years ago, I found myself in possession of some cast iron skillets that I had collected from yard sales and received as gifts from family. As I gazed at these sturdy kitchen tools, a spark of curiosity ignited within me. I wanted to know more about them, their history, their uses, and the proper care for them. And so began my journey into the world of cast iron cookware. What started as a simple desire to season my skillets soon just turned into a quest for knowledge that would take me on an unexpected adventure. I delved into research, scouring books and online resources for information on cast iron. The more I learned, the more questions arose in my mind. How were these skillets made? Why are they prized by chefs and home cooks alike? And most importantly, how could I unlock the full potential in my own kitchen? As I immersed myself in the world of cast iron, I discovered a rich history dating back centuries. These skillets had been used by generations of cooks to create delicious meals with unparalleled flavor. The secret lay in the seasoning, a process of building up layers of oil on the surface of the skillet to create a natural non-stick coating. Armed with this newfound knowledge, I set out to season my skillets with care and patience. It was a labor of love, but the results were worth it. With each use, the skillet became more seasoned and developed a beautiful patina that spoke of years. But my journey didn't end there. As I continued to explore the world of cast iron cookware, I stumbled upon unexpected treasures. Vintage skillets with intricate designs, rare pieces passed down through generations, and even modern innovations that pushed the boundaries of traditional cooking. Through it all, one thing became clear. Cast iron cookware was not just about practicality. It was about tradition, craftsmanship, and a connection to culinary heritage. And so, armed with my newly seasoned skillets and a heart full of passion for cooking, I embarked on a new chapter in my culinary journey. With each sizzle and stir in these trusty pans, I felt connected to something greater than myself, a legacy of good food shared around tables throughout history. In the end, what started as a simple quest for knowledge and had transformed into an adventure that enriched not only my cooking skills, but also my appreciation for the artistry and soulfulness that can be found in something as humble as a cast iron skillet. And so my journey continued.